today I'm here with my very strange friend Naomi. And we are going to North Stradbroke Island. So we are taking the ferry across right now. We've got the car, and apparently there's some amazing beaches, lots of wildlife, and what else is there?
Food. Fish and chips.
Food. Fish and chips, my favorite. So definitely not complaining about having to go see some of this stuff. We're gonna go stay the night at the top of Mount Warning so we can wake up early for sunrise. It's supposed to be one of the top things to do here, so we're about to get started and see how things go. My backpack is fucking huge. So much shit. So we found our potential camping spot for the night. We've all got hammocks, and we're gonna string them up between these little railings here. Not a bad plan. So we've made it to our little camp spot for the night. We've got everything set up, as you can see here. Definitely not smoking marijuana. So we're gonna go to the summit after it gets dark, and we're gonna try to get some astro shots. So we ended up staying the night up here at the top of Mount Warning. I didn't get any sleep at all. Sammy did. Sammy passed right out. Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody else slept fine. I slept like shit. It was freezing. But it was worth it. It was a beautiful sunrise. You guys think it was worth it? Yeah?
Yeah, it was worth it. But I slept.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they all slept.